Are you curious about what's been unfolding lately in the Toronto real estate market? If you've been wondering about recent developments and trends, you're in for a treat. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be focusing on the latest market updates for July 2023 for Toronto East. This information is tailored for anyone who is curious about Toronto and the GTA real estate news. Join us until the end of the video for essential details and valuable insights into the world of Toronto East real estate. So let's get started.
As a buyer or seller, understanding the months of inventory is crucial. It tells us how long it would take for all homes to sell, based on average sales volume. So in July, there were 1.6 months of supply available for all home types on the market. Compared to last month, this number hasn't really changed, down from 1.7 months in June. And in comparison to Central Toronto and Toronto West, Toronto East does have the lowest number of months of inventory. Overall, we're still in a seller's market, as the numbers suggest. Let's talk about the average price of homes in Toronto East. The average price is currently around $1,031,000. This is down from $1,099,000 that was reported for June. Now keep in mind that this figure is just an average across all areas. If we take a closer look at, say, EO2, which includes the neighborhoods of the Danforth and the Beaches, the sale price is just shy of $1.36 million. Meanwhile, the average sale price in E11, which includes the area of Malvern, the price is around $789,000.
Okay, now we're going to talk about the average list to sale price ratio. Basically, this number tells us how much properties were selling for compared to their list price. The ratio for July was 106%, which means properties were selling for over the list price. This number is down from last month, however, it is up 4% compared to this time last year. Toronto East is broken down into 11 defined areas, and all the areas are selling for over the list price. Now keep in mind that this ratio can be influenced by the selling strategy used. With low inventory in that area and higher demand, we're still seeing the trend of underpricing homes to spark bidding wars.
Now you may be curious about the average time properties take to sell in Toronto East. The average days on market was 14 days, which is slightly slower than the 12-day average in June. Comparing it to the same time last year, the average was 15 days on the market. We are continuing to see that most listings are set up with offer dates. Only time will tell if this is a temporary pattern or a more enduring trend, especially with the uncertainty concerning interest rates.
So a big piece of the real estate world is the interest rate policy, and there's continued uncertainty on the direction of borrowing costs, jobs, and the overall economy. On July 12, 2023, the Bank of Canada raised its key interest rates by 0.25%, setting it at 5.0%. Bank prime rates were also adjusted to 7.2%. This marks the first time the policy rates has reached 5% since 2001. Right now, we're seeing mortgage rates between 5 to over 6%. If you're considering entering the market, be sure to check out all mortgage options that are available to you.
So in summary, when you look at July's market statistics, we can say that the real estate market in Toronto East is stable. The average selling price is around $1,031,000 for all home types. The number of sales have decreased to 462 in July compared to 751 last month. New listings coming onto the market have also decreased, with 1139 in July compared to 1279 in June. Days on the market has increased to 14, which is up from 12 in June. Overall, it seems that the sales momentum we saw earlier in the spring has slowed since the Bank of Canada resumed its rate tightening cycle in June. The effect of higher interest rates has been compounded by persistent scarcity of listings for potential buyers, contrasting with previous years.
The housing market is constantly evolving, making it important to stay well informed. While general market updates offer valuable insights, they may not address your overall unique needs. We're committed to assisting you in making informed decisions regarding real estate. That's why we recommend considering a free market evaluation or scheduling a pressure-free chat with us. We want to provide you the guidance and support you require to navigate this intricate housing market. Don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you. Transparency and honesty are at our core. If you're interested in learning more, click the link below to book a no obligation consultation or explore our other videos for additional resources. Stay tuned for our upcoming update. It's on the way.